Warm greetings to everyone watching this video. This is Abhinav Agarwal from Agra, Uttar Pradesh, and I am here because I scored a 98.49 to 1428 percentile in the JEE Mains examination for the 2025 session. First of all, it was neither too tough nor too easy to get that score. Like, I worked hard and there were many hurdles along my path, but consistency and discipline carried me through. Besides these basic skills, proper guidance is very necessary for achieving a great score in this exam. For me, SATHEE by IIT Kanpur played a crucial role in providing me the top-notch resources and doubt clearing required for this examination. Their concept videos helped me clear all my doubts before the exam. And also, they conducted a series of mock tests which were very relevant and also mimicked the actual interface of the exam. This helped me build confidence during the examination and also allowed me to solve many problems without hesitation. Then I would like to say that anyone who wants to prepare for this exam can easily rely on SATHEE and their resources because they are really very good. I found them very helpful in my preparation. Finally, I would like to thank everyone who was involved in my preparation, who helped me, including the SATHEE team. Their efforts are truly remarkable. Thank you.